You probably heard about Air Miles points. This is the reward from the airline company when you fly with them for your air journey. And you can use the points to exchange for gifts and goods. How about your land journey? We spend most of our time on land. We go to school, offices, malls, the park, home, and other places. We're traveling a lot, but we get nothing. Introducing LandMiles, an easy and convenient app that converts your daily land journey into reward points. Just download and activate LandMiles on your smartphone. You will start getting reward points when you are traveling around. Very simple. With LandMiles reward points, you can redeem the amazing coupons from the hottest stores around you. Restaurants, fashion, entertainment, and more. Just click on your favorite store and save your money. Stop wasting your LandMiles. Subscribe now at landmiles.com.my. Be the first user to experience and enjoy great rewards from LandMiles.